Hello everyone and welcome. These are all the ingredients that you'll need to make a keto-friendly condensed milk that will end up looking like this: rich, creamy, and sweet. So go ahead and get your ingredients together so that we can make this condensed milk together. Let's go on over to the stove, and to a pot we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and to this we are going to add 3/4 cup of sweetener. Give this a stir until everything is well combined, and then turn the heat up until medium-high. And then what you want to do is to bring this to a boil while continuing to stir so it does not stick. And once it comes to a boil, you're going to turn down the flame to low so that it can continue to simmer and reduce in volume and thicken. And this will take about 25 to 30 minutes. And once it does reaches half the volume and it does thicken, you want to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and that will help with the gloss of this condensed milk. And you also want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, you want to continue to stir while this simmers and reduces in volume and continues to thicken. You guys, we are getting close. And if you wanted to, you could actually add some xanthan gum. That would help in this thicken a little bit quicker, but that's not what I opted to do. And about 30-35 minutes later, after this cooled, this is what we have: our rich, creamy, sweet, delicious, keto-friendly condensed milk that is ready to use. Enjoy, you guys.